Look around. Data dimensionality is in hypergrowth as companies are becoming increasingly complex. Ultra Blue Capital leverages big data to pinpoint key investment opportunities. Our proprietary artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms unlock long-term, stable growth through our forecasting engine. Completely transparent and fully automated, our Algorithmic Fundamentals ETF focuses on high-quality large-cap companies with strong profitability and best predicted fundamentals. How do we do it? Over 1 trillion high-frequency data points from more than 1,000 reputable sources fuel sophisticated in-house algorithms that proactively seek better investments. Unconstrained by specific investing styles, Ultra Blue Capital's approach is adaptable and scalable. Agile positioning allows us to capitalize on market changes. Our sector-agnostic portfolio includes cyclical, secular, growth, and value equities. Technology, transparency, connectivity. We're welcoming a new era of asset management. Learn more about Ultra Blue Capital today.